Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Frameo digital frame not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to check is to simply check your Wi-Fi details. You need to make sure that you are selecting the correct Wi-Fi network, enter the password carefully without any mistakes, and even a small error can stop the connection. So once you find that the password that you are entering is correct and still you are facing the Wi-Fi not connecting problem, you just have to do a quick restart. For that, you just have to press this particular power button on your Frameo digital frame. When you press it, you are going to see these three options on your Frameo digital frame. So you just have to tap on the option of restart and you need to basically restart your device. Once it restarts, you just have to start connecting it with your Wi-Fi again and see if the issue is gone or if it is still there. Now you can also move your frame closer to the Wi-Fi router because the weak signal can also cause the connection related problems. Now inside the settings, when you go to the Wi-Fi option, you can also select the network, and instead of basically adding the password, you can select the option of forget password, and then you can reconnect it by entering the password again. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi is 2.4 gigahertz and not only 5 gigahertz. Many Frameo devices works better with 2.4 gigahertz networks. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.